Hey folks, this is the second video dealing with higher degree functions. So if you would go down to the page that talks about properties of polynomials, the first property of polynomials is that the domain is always going to be all real numbers. The second property in polynomials is that polynomials are always going to be continuous. This means you're able to draw the picture without ever lifting your pencil. And then thirdly, properties of polynomials. Polynomials are always going to be smooth. They're never going to have any corners on them. So the embedded question for this video is you need to go back to chapter 2 in your library of functions. Remember, you had 6 parent functions. And find out which of the 6 parent functions meets all 3 of these requirements. Always having a domain of all real numbers, continuous, you can draw it without lifting your pencil, and thirdly, no corners. Make a list of the parents that meet all 3 requirements. Now you also have some specific polynomials that have names to them. If you have a degree of 2, this is going to be called a quadratic. And quite frankly, that should not be surprising to you after just coming out of chapter 3, a whole entire chapter about quadratics. A degree of 3 is called a cubic, and a degree of 4 is going to be called a quartic.